Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of entrepreneurship. Forget about needing $1 million to start your own business. We're proving that wrong today. We've got 20 awesome machines you can snag online, all under $2,000, that can launch your home business dreams into orbit. Let's get this business started. Ready to offer a service that's always in demand? The laser hair removal machine is your ticket to becoming a smooth operator, literally. But for around $400, you can start offering in-home treatments that'll have clients ditching those expensive salons. Word-of-mouth marketing is huge in this industry, so focus on providing exceptional service and watch your business boom. Alright, next up is for all my beverage bosses and homemade sauce connoisseurs. It's the desktop bottling machine. This beast means business, helping you bottle up your delicious concoctions with speed and precision. Farmers markets, online stores, and local shops will be lining up for your bottled goodness. Now, if you're all about that retail life, you need a visual merchandising machine. This machine is your secret weapon to create eye-catching displays that'll stop customers dead in their tracks. Help them transform their spaces into captivating experiences that draw in the crowds and boost those sales. Alright, calling all tech-savvy entrepreneurs. The 3D printer is your ticket to a world of limitless possibilities. For around $600, you can start printing everything from custom phone cases and jewelry to prototypes for inventions and one-of-a-kind art pieces. The demand for custom-made, personalized products is booming, and with a 3D printer, you'll be leading the pack. Let's talk sustainability. The home recycling machine is perfect for eco-conscious entrepreneurs who want to make a difference and money. For around $450, you can turn recycling into income by selling processed materials. Spread the word about your services and become a champion for the planet while boosting your bank account. Let's get crafty. The pottery wheel is a classic for a reason. For around $300, you can start shaping mugs, bowls, plates, vases. The possibilities are endless. Pottery is hot right now, so get your spin on. First up, we're kicking things off with a machine perfect for all you creative entrepreneurs. The manual die cutting machine. Create custom shapes and designs out of paper, fabric, you name it. For about $100, start cranking out greeting cards, scrapbook decorations, even custom party favors. This machine is your golden ticket to creativity and profits. Alright, if you're all about that natural and holistic lifestyle, the essential oil distillation kit is calling your name. For about $200, you can create custom blends for aromatherapy, DIY beauty products, even household cleaners. Online marketplaces, local markets, and even subscription boxes are great ways to share your fragrant creations with the world. Next up is a small but mighty machine that's perfect for anyone with a sweet tooth for business. For around $250, you can whip up unique recipes using natural ingredients, experiment with fun colors and flavors, and package them in eye-catching containers. Online marketplaces, craft fairs, even local boutiques are great places to showcase your lip-smacking creations. Calling all sugar addicts and entrepreneurial spirits. The candy-making machine is your golden ticket to sugary delights and profitable treats. For about $150, you can experiment with flavors, colors, and shapes to create unique candies. Farmers markets, online stores, and local events are perfect places to share your sweet creations. Beauty bosses, this one's for you. The vacuum foamer might sound intimidating, but it's your ticket to creating luxurious skincare products from your kitchen counter. For about $1,200, you can rival big-name brands with your own line of natural, handcrafted skincare goodies. Online marketplaces, craft fairs, and local spas will be begging to stock your shelves. Alright, foodies, this one's for you. The canning machine is a must-have for preserving garden-fresh flavors and creating homemade goodies to sell. For about $250, you can stock pantry shelves and sell at farmers markets, local stores, or online. Canning is making a comeback, so get ready to preserve your profits. Let's add some rustic charm to your business. The wood-burning kit is perfect for creating personalized gifts, home decor, and unique art pieces. For around $100, you can create custom signs, coasters, cutting boards, and so much more. Sell online at craft fairs or partner up with local businesses to showcase your wood-burned masterpieces. Who doesn't love the warm glow and inviting sense of candles? Create your own luxurious candles at home. For about $150, experiment with different waxes, fragrances, and colors to create unique candles for every occasion. Showcase your creations at craft fairs and local events. Time to shine a light on a service-based business that's always in demand: window cleaning. The window cleaning kit with a water-fed pole lets you provide sparkling clean windows without breaking a sweat. For about $200, you can offer professional window cleaning services to homeowners and businesses. Word-of-mouth referrals are gold, so focus on quality and reliability to watch your client list grow. Alright, if you're all about customization and creating unique apparel and gifts, the heat press machine is your new best friend. For around $250, you can start your own clothing line, create personalized gifts, or even offer custom printing services to businesses and events. Online marketplaces, craft fairs, and local events are great avenues to showcase your heat-pressed creations. Time to get precise and add elegance to your business. Etch intricate designs on wood, glass, metal, and leather. For around $500, create personalized gifts, custom jewelry, and signage. Online marketplaces, craft fairs, and local boutiques are great places to showcase your masterpieces. Let's get bubbly and talk about the soap making kit. Create luxurious handcrafted soaps using natural ingredients and essential oils. For about $150, experiment with different scents, colors, and additives to create unique soaps for specific skin types or preferences. Farmers markets, online marketplaces, and local craft fairs are fantastic venues to showcase your sudsy creations. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. Roast your own beans to perfection, creating fresh, flavorful coffee that puts supermarket brands to shame. For around $400, experiment with different beans and create your own signature blends. Farmers markets, online subscriptions, and local delivery are great ways to share your roasted coffee. Don't underestimate the power of the button maker machine. This little machine packs a punch, creating custom buttons, badges, and magnets for events, businesses, schools, and more. For around $100, you can offer personalized buttons for parties, fundraisers, and awareness campaigns. Online marketplaces, local events, and direct sales to organizations are great ways to get your buttons out there. And there you have it, 20 affordable machines that can take your home business dreams from zero to launch. Whether you're passionate about crafting, food, beauty, or offering unique services, there's a machine out there waiting to be your business partner. See you in the next one.